10A, my house, Druski, onset, security them active. Right now we're about to do an audition for find some talented people from Jamaica that can be signed to Could Have Been Records. Jamaican people have all different kind of talent, you know what I'm saying? So it should be interesting. You know where you go. All right, security, bring in the contestant them. You know now?
Attile.
You know now?
Father, brother.
What go on?
They are kick them father.
Where you fall from, cuz?
You know what I'm saying? In Kingston, my guy.
Which part exactly?
Up in the hills, Golden Spring.
Oh yeah, hills people are skilled people.
Tribal, you know?
What's your name?
Whisper.
Whisper? You're not going to sing and whisper though.
Not
I
at
turn
all.
up your vocals.
Up them father, man.
All right, let me hear it.
And we go running at the bait place with the AK brawling. She got play from Mrs. Strange Face. Them a play brave and them gain fame. Me will let them brain up on a airplane. Me attack loud for them ear clear.
Nah,
we
whisper.
draw crowd round you as day break. But inna the crowd, ma run at the steering.
Attile
Tell them
whisper.
say I'm a seal badness. Dog them active. Murder.
Attile whisper. Boom, Buckler. Them dead, you know whisper.
Leave my God.
Where say could have been records you assigned to?
Only my father, you know.